morning, good learning everyone. This is your Kuya Francis and I'm your Kuya Broker. Our real estate word of the day is certified true copy. A certified copy is a special copy of an original document or a true copy of a primary document. Mga ka-property, sa real estate, kadalasan kumukuha po tayo ng certified true copy of title at ng tax declaration. The certified true copy does not replace the original title or tax declaration. Usually, ginagamit po ang certified true copy pag tayo po ay nagbabayad ng BIR or the capital gain tax and documentary stamp tax. Ginagamit din po ang certified true copy kung tayo po ay nag-due diligence or kung tayo nagsasabit ng requirements sa ating housing loan. Pagkuha po natin ng certified true copy, makikita po natin kung may annotation po or encumbrances ang titulo or ang tax declaration. Kaya mga ka-property, huwag po tayo malilito. For requirements purposes lang po ang certified true copy sa pag-transfer ng ownership, sa pag-due diligence, at sa ating housing loan requirements. Hindi po natin may transfer ang title kung ang hawak lang po natin ay certified true copy. Kaya mga ka-property, kung tayo po ay bibili ng bahay or property, make sure that we have the acknowledgement receipt, a signed deed of sale, both the buyer and the seller, at ang original title. Hindi po pwedeng certified true copy of title lang. So kung kayo po ay may katanungan, pakisulat nyo lang po sa comment section below. Please continue to watch our videos. Paki-follow and share na rin po ang aming mga social media platforms. Again, this is your Kuya Broker. God bless po sa ating lahat.